Hey, what up, everyone? My name is Fanuel. I'm with my co-host here, Prince. Doc, Fede?
Fede, my boy.
Sharp, Donna.
Oh, good, my boy.
Hola.
Welcome, guys. Welcome to Soccer Forensics. This is a platform where you guys get the latest football news from Orkanti up until La Eka.
Si.
Usithola shisa, usithola bawala.
Alright.
Donna.
Sibacala
ngani fanda?
Makasana.
Makasana.
Siyagibela siya PTA.
Hayi wena man.
Mamelodi. Kabuyelo Masandawana.
Hayi wena man.
Ntwana yo. Why ngathi uthukile kanje?
Why ngathi ujabulile kanje?
Breaking news today.
Yeah.
It's rounding and touching the South African. It's not a South African player, man. I'm claiming him right now, yeah. Okay.
The Brazilian
one.
Yeah, the Brazilian player.
Let me see. Like I wanna address him in a good manner.
Yeah.
The best player in Betway Premiership.
Highway man.
Yeah.
Lucas
Costa Ribeiro.
Highway man. So man, Vuma so.
Yeah, and I listen stand when I take nothing from him.
Yeah.
He's a great player. He's an incredible player to watch, man.
Player.
Yeah, he's been
The
doing
Brazilian,
exceptionally well.
yeah.
Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
Cabanga bese simfuna nase squad insithi yeah ngathi bangamregister squad. Like Mntwana is absolutely a gem.
Angithi nenze so ngesikhathi sa jersey number 10 adlala
Sirin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kalama Sirin. Yonke player mayifika ku Sundowns nje nayifuna ukufika ku squad. Khona manje ningamfaka ku squad manje Sirin.
Yeah.
Manje?
Yebo.
Usokhuluma isinhliziyo mara fail. Bathi kambani Mntwana?
Yeah, Mntwana Lucas Costa Ribeiro Mntwana, there are several teams that are gunning for him. Yeah. So yeah.
Abroad or like us?
No, abroad. European teams. Yeah, these are
Okay.
European teams Mntwana.
Okay.
So they are really interested in him.
Yeah.
Like in his services, Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So manje simluza kanjalo nje.
Obvious Mntwana.
Simluza as a
next
country.
season.
Simluza as a country.
No, as a country. It's not registered for the South African team, man.
But he brings the sauce in the Betway Premiership.
As if leyo like yeah.
Mntwana week in week out Mntwana. I think yeah.
I think he set his standard on South African football.
Is his first season?
Yeah. His first season.
Okay. First season stats 13 boy.
13 goals in 21 matches. With around 7 assists.
Yeah.
So these are incredible
very high numbers.
So, yeah.
Very high numbers. For a league city, it's like one of the best here in Africa. And then a guy comes from Brazil. And tops up. Wonke umuntu angayiyekazi. How do you feel uba South African? A guy like that. Or vele bathini the Brazilians are ibola labo nje lisegazini.
Brazil they know football. Like they know football.
Yeah.
All Brazilian players are
all
incredible.
Players.
But yeah, Brazil obviously I'm recognized as a player.
Ungasho kanjalo.
No. They do have
Ungasho kanjalo.
Yo.
Ngeke bamrecognize.
Phela mabarecognize amele bakubize national team. So like
exactly.
yabo.
Yeah,
so yena ngeke baze come.
The first step that he needs to do, first step it's moving out of South African.
Noma ngamu over to South African football aye abroad. Ntwana
because ngizwe ilil but it's the topping charts khona manje ne.
Yeah.
They've been returning asking for his services.
Sure.
For the third to fourth time right now. They're asking which kwenzakalani ngoribere yabo. But then Sundowns is still out there, still checking these other teams that came before Lille, yabo.
Yeah.
But then Lille, it's like one of the biggest teams in the world.
Yeah.
Because they are in the French league and badlala nabo bani.
ada uyofesana nabo Hakimi la
awakhi mawudambele
yeah makangadlala lapha uyofesana nabo Hakimi ila sombona khona ukuthi like bekasigcinela ngapha eMzansi
or Kambali
like into zakhe vele
lezabo okay
but Ntwana truly speaking Ntwana like again he's an incredible player taking nothing from
him true
but Ntwana clear Brazilian collab yo ngeke kulunge
Ntwana mina I believe ne
beka let me school you Ntwana
okay
beka there's profile alapha ya ku Brazil yeah kuna kuSavinho le dlala ku Man City
ngiyambona
very skillful very dynamic player kuna bu Rodri ku Madrid kuna bu Vinicius ayo Ntwana
you know what's the catch Ntwana yabona yazikwenzakalani I feel like a best player can be the best at its best form makadlala with top quality players.
Yes, I agree with you.
Yeah, much it's incredible. So him going abroad bazombheka kakhulu manje because he's in a space where every international bambheka week in week out. Coming here in South Africa, I don't think like European people or abantu bangada they do watch week in week out ilento iBetway Premiership
and then like you missing my point here ngithola angazi or like ile
Ntwana mina ngithi yabona makafika la uzodlala nabantu abalaziyo uzobonakala like unama chances ukuthi angaya ku squad se Brazil give him 2 to 3 seasons lapha eLille ngiyakutshela
Ntwana bheka
2 to 3 seasons alapha kuLille
in the history of football Ntwana ana like aliki player elase Brazil elasuka ngapha like elisuka ke Brazil lazodlala ngapha lathi malmo over le Europe lafika futhi se baqala ukul recognize sebalibi Ntwana
wena ukhuluma
mawukuthi uyistar eBrazil bheka mawuyistar eBrazil ne ngabe akafikanga even la
ngeke afika ngeke
la Mzansi back and then currently there are players they are superstars Ntwana wase Brazil adlala lapha ya ku yini
league yabo le
league yabo le team le bebina bo Marcelo
Flamengo
they dominated against Man City but aliko neli one player ile raguda iding yabo lento ngishoyo
but then uyazi ukuthi le league yabo incane to the French league though
but they dominated Man City like Man City beyivutha bhe ngaleso sikhathi leso ngithola
I don't know guys just if you with me just comment on the comment section there ungitshela ukuthi nawe uvumelana nami or uvumelana naye ukuthi ngeke baafithe lapha ku squad se Brazil yabo just like comment share subscribe if you haven't subscribed at this point on a road to 600 subs anything you want to add my boy
and then I'd like to thank our support man our supporters yo Kosam yazi like bese ngigijimele angisho like sengithi like ba supporter yabo
ujabulela ukuthi Ribeiro uyahamba
inhliziyo man I'd like to thank our supporters man shout out to them they keep on grinding those numbers road to 600 subs please continue subscribing those who haven't subscribed yet it mean nothing to you but mean a lot to us
true
from me to you one love peace
Soccer Forensics we out.